Hey everyone, is your Looker Studio data not updating correctly? In this video, I'll show you how to fix data refresh issues in Looker Studio step by step. First, check your data source connection. Open your report, go to the data source settings, and make sure the connection is active. Next, refresh the data manually. Open the report menu and use the refresh option to check if the latest information appears. If the data is still outdated, check your data source permissions. Expired access or changed login details can stop Looker Studio from retrieving new data. You should also review the data freshness settings. Some sources may have a delay before new information becomes available. If you're using Google Sheets or another file-based source, make sure the original data has been updated and saved correctly. For connector issues, reconnect the data source or reauthorize access, so this can fix problems caused by expired permissions. After making changes, reload your report and confirm that charts and metrics are showing the latest data. And that's how you fix Looker Studio data refresh issues. With the right connection settings and regular checks, you can keep your dashboards updated and accurate. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.